Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change name in Fortnite Nintendo Switch. To change your name, go to Epic Games website and sign in with your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account. Under the General tab, find the Display Name section. Then click the Edit button next to your current name. Now enter your new desired display name. Confirm the change by re-entering the new name. After that, click Save Changes and your new name will be updated. Finally, restart Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch to see the updated name. Keep in mind that Epic Games allows you to change your display name only once every 2 weeks. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.